Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is called light body activation. All you need to do to accept this energy healing is to nod or say yes, and I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. My work is a co-creation of conscious intention and spirit guidance. So go ahead, you can open your eyes or close your eyes, it doesn't matter. And open your mind, open your heart to receive this energy healing. Take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Well, light body activation is very much about expanding your energy field to radiate your inner light. So the denser, heavier vibrations that you've maybe been operating with, maybe been functioning with, lighten up. And take a deep breath. If you want to, you can think about the things in your life that are weighing you down. Make a list if you need in your mind. All of those things we're just bringing into conscious awareness to receive this healing energy so that you can lighten up and you can lift lift the weight of them, dissipate the heaviness. With your light body activation is the alignment with your soul's expression, the path you want to walk in this life that is in alignment with your highest destiny, yeah? The path that's going to fulfill you the most, and it's going to bring you the most joy. Well done. Well done. Isn't it wild that just receiving healing energy is the work? Who thought it could be so easy? Inside of you have a radiant spirit, larger than you can imagine. And that radiant spirit is embodied here and now in your physical form. That radiant spirit has today received a beautiful polishing sparkle, right? So that it can shine, so that you can shine. So that your true, authentic self is lit, expressing, living, receiving, giving, navigating life, lit up, awake, alive, blissful, connected. And with this radiance, with this sparkle, you magnetize your soul tribe, others who are also lit, others who are also alive, awake, aware. And you'll see that sparkle in their eye, and there'll be that moment of recognition. The parrots affirm yes. Take another deep breath, my loves. Anchoring in that radiant spirit, feeling that inner sparkle, feeling your shiny self. So blissful. Yes. loves. Please comment below if you feel like you received this healing energy. You feel like you felt it, if it shifted you in any way. If you'd like to support me as an artist, see the link below. All of my works, all of my creative works are bringing through healing energy. And if you want other people to receive this light body activation, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that others can also expand. Thank you, my loves. Bless.